Turned on the desktop and Ayaz pushed F10. He's going to boot. He wants to adjust the boot sequence. Push
English,
enter,
right?
enter for English, yeah. And then go to arrow to the right to storage.
Storage.
Down to boot order.
Yep.
And you want to select the network controller.
Yep.
And move it to the top.
Enter.
And then push enter.
Yep.
F10.
F10.
Right, F10 again. And enter, and then just wait a sec. Okay, so that's the way all the desktops need to look before you start the image. Let's go over to the fog server. So we're just going to turn this on and let it boot up for a second. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so once the server's on, you go to the tech page and you have to enter the password. You all know the
I know the password, yeah.
So just going to enter the password. And then once you've signed into tech, the next thing you need to do is push and hold Control-Alt-T. We're going into the terminal, and we're just going to restart the server just to make sure it's running well. We're plugged in, connection's good, so Control-Alt-T. And then in here we type...
You want to zoom in on that?
Yeah, so we're going to type sudo service space isc-dhcp-server space restart. That's going to restart the server. Enter the tech password. And then enter the same line of code, but instead of restart, just do status. We're checking the status of the server. If it says active, we're golden. Push Q to go back to the prompt and then exit. EXIT to get out of the terminal. The server's running now. So we go back to the desktop and we start it up just by pushing F10. Now this computer is going to boot from the network. The network is that server we just set up. So the server is going to take over this computer and put the image onto it. Now there's one time-sensitive feature here. We have to wait. When we see the white screen, we have to push arrow down. If we don't catch the white screen, we have to reboot the computer again. So it usually takes a few minutes or a few seconds for it to start. And you'll have like maybe 2 seconds when the white screen is on to push arrow down. Should be coming now, I think, or really soon. Okay, so arrow down to deploy image. Once you're at deploy image, just push enter. Username is FOG, F-O-G. Password is just P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D, password. Push enter. I don't know, it's a hard one. Select the student image Xubuntu, and now it's done. It's cooking, be done in about 4 minutes. You'll know it's finished when you see the tech sign-in box, and then that's the whole process. You're good to go. Hang on.